Welcome to the CoolSpaceCareers video instructions page. It's our intent that you might find this site to be an extremely useful tool as you assess your current career status. Perhaps more importantly, you'll also be able to determine opportunities to either advance your career within the aerospace community or possibly explore possibilities of transitioning into a career where your skills, your training, and your education might best be utilized. We'll spend the next few minutes exploring the site and reviewing the features that we hope will encourage and assist you as you contemplate your future career. As you look at the site, you'll notice that most of the navigation is over on the left-hand side. It's using easy drop-down format. Click on, you'll get a drop-down menu where you can then go to items or areas that you're particularly interested in. Whenever there's a hyperlink in the text itself or featured, the link will be displayed in parallel with the CoolSpaceCareers site. So, as a demonstration, again looking at the Career Center, you've probably already gone through the welcome. You're here now. If you haven't, I encourage you to go back and do it. A bit of the roadmap. It talks a little bit of psychology. And then here in the career opportunities, you'll see when you click on this particular page, the primary feature right now is the Brevard Job Link site. You'll see a hyperlink here. You can click on that. Brings it right up, again in parallel with the CoolSpaceCareers site. Now, this is a very important site for you. There's lots of useful information, lots of information about training that's available, programs that are available to assist in the aerospace workforce transition program. You'll also find over here on this particular site, in the Find a Job section, there are local resources, national search possibilities, and other things. Lots of good information, or gouge as we used to call it, for looking at career transition opportunities. But I'll get to the meat of this particular website, the way it's focused right now. We use the aerospace technician as our primary demonstration tool. Again, if you click on the aerospace technician side, you'll notice that it's broken into two main areas, career advancement and career transition. Career advancement is, as we've mentioned, for those of you that wish to pursue or continue to pursue your career within the aerospace community. All of the particular career fields that are listed both under engineer and technician, as well as professional careers, which you'll see on the left there also, are all in the same format. So at the top you'll see the quick links, industry hot topics, which is a review of the current status of this particular career field, particularly in the local area, updated with the local economic information. Career description, ONET, which is a Department of Labor feature, which gives you sort of a wide net overview of what's going on within this community, both locally and in the nation. And then we feature a video library, which can be very large or very small depending on the aspects of the career. You can scroll down to each one of these areas with a handy return to back to the top button. Or you can click on the links any way that you want to get there. You'll also notice under career advancement that we feature education resources. A click here, again a page will come up that lists local institutions that are providing degree programs that might support the aerospace career field. You'll see associate programs, bachelor's programs, all the way through master's programs. And again, if you click on the particular site, we'll just pick one, you'll see it pops up, provide you directly with the information, put you directly with the information that you need to know. In this case, the College of Engineering at Florida Institute of Technology. So that's featured throughout the website. Returning, we'll also see that under career advancement, besides education, we have listed professional certification. Again, click on professional certs, and in this case we have the Space Tech Certified Aerospace Technician listed. Again, the hyperlink will take you directly to that site, which will allow you to understand and register, and in some cases even take the courses online that are required for certification within this professional career. And then finally, under industry, you'll see that major companies and corporations that are working in the local area will be listed, a little bit of a review of what they do, contact information for them, and in most cases a hyperlink which will take you right to the company's website. In as many cases as possible where it's directly available right to the human resources site. So you've got the ability to look for jobs or post or whatever else they might do, however it might be featured. So this is true, as I say, not just for career advancement, not just for technician, but for aerospace engineer, technician, professional careers, advancement, and transition. Under the technician, aerospace technician transition, you'll see there's a large number of career opportunities, industries listed, ranging from telecommunications all the way down to entrepreneurial. Again, just to demonstrate, we'll select one, aviation. And you'll see it looks very similar to what we just went through with the career advancement within the aerospace community. Hot topics, career description, ONET, and video library. One of the neat features in some of these, and what might be very valuable for you, are wherever the state of Florida has established a banner center, we've tried to link that in here also, so that you can go up and see what's going on within the banner center, see what kind of advanced training, certification, and in some cases what kind of job opportunities might be available. Please avail yourself to this whenever possible. But the rest of this particular page continues just as we've already demonstrated. Description, the Occupational Information Network, ONET, and then video library, in this case of jobs within the aviation technician career field. Not surprisingly, you'll see that also listed are education resources. And again, everything from associates, bachelor's, through graduate programs are listed here. Professional certification listed different career fields within the career, within the industry itself. For example, aviation maintenance specialist. Website comes up and you see here's an organization that does certification for aviation maintenance and production professionals, with the information that you need to be able to get that particular certification, if that's required for the position, or if you think that is a good resume booster for you. And then finally, under aviation, we can go to industry. And as you saw before, industry references for local companies, local corporations, contact information, description of what they do, and a link to their website. So, highly recommended to make an in-depth study. Choose the ones that you think are right for you. And always come back to the site on a regular basis, because the site's going to be updated as things change. As we learn information, as statistics change, as jobs come open, as programs funded by the state or the federal government become available, these opportunities will be here for you. And we will try to keep you in the middle of everything as it happens in this particular site. Under professional careers, you'll see, again, the same format, same structure, growth in the Brevard area, the different jobs within the professional career field. And by professional careers, these are things that are probably not the technician's forte or the engineers, but certainly areas that you can transition into. You'll see that we're looking at business administration, financial and accounting, and human resources. And just as you saw before, under professional certification, there's a list of particular professional certifications that you may obtain, and then industry also listed. This concludes the tour through the Cool Space Careers website. Please contact the AW team if you have further questions or issues. And I want to show you again one last thing here, just to remind you, the AWT website. It's available, as you saw, under Cool Space Career Opportunities. It's a good place for you to establish communications and to gain knowledge and information as to what's going on within the Aerospace Workforce Transition Program. Highly recommended that you visit this on a regular basis. Again, we pledge our continuing support for you as you make this journey, and we wish you the best of luck.